Other hedge funds and other institutional investors have also recently added to or reduced their stakes in the company. Harbor Capital Advisors LLC grew its stake in shares of AMZN.com by 100,947.5% during the second quarter. Harbor Capital Advisors LLC now owns 2,302,872 shares of the e-commerce giant stock worth $2,379,000 after purchasing an additional 2,300,593 shares during the period. State Street Corporation grew its stake in shares of AMZN.com by 1.1% during the first quarter. State Street Corporation now owns 16,544,538 shares of the e-commerce giant stock worth $14,667,392,000 after purchasing an additional 186,756 shares during the period. Carp Capital Management Corporation bought a new position in AMZN.com during the first quarter worth about $157,189,000. Canada Pension Plan Investment Board lifted its holdings in AMZN.com by 401.7% during the first quarter. Canada Pension Plan Investment Board now owns 158,030 shares of the e-commerce giant stock worth $140,100,000 after acquiring an additional 126,534 shares in the last quarter. Finally, ClearBridge Investments LLC lifted its holdings in AMZN.com by 11.9% during the first quarter. ClearBridge Investments LLC now owns 883,531 shares of the e-commerce giant stock worth $783,286,000 after acquiring an additional 93,757 shares in the last quarter. 60.73% of the stock is owned by institutional investors.